Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In other traditions, mermaids can be benevolent or beneficent, giving gifts or falling in love with humans. Tales are often recounted in which mermaids save men who have been shipwrecked and bring them safely to shore.
Let's help you make your mark.
A mermaid is a mythical sea-dwelling creature, often described as having the head and body of a woman and a fish's tail below the waist. Stories of mermaids have existed for thousands of years and span cultures across the world, from coastal settlements in Ireland to the landlocked Karoo Desert in South Africa.
Let's help you make your mark.
Sirens were believed to look like a combination of women and birds in various different forms. In early Greek art, they were represented as birds with large women's heads, bird feathers and scaly feet. By the Middle Ages, the figure of the siren had transformed into the enduring mermaid figure.
Take our lead.
Christopher Columbus. On this day in 1493, Italian explorer Christopher Columbus, sailing near the Dominican Republic, sees three mermaids, in reality manatees, and describes them as not half as beautiful as they are painted. 6 months earlier, Columbus, 1451 to 1506, set off from Spain across the Atlantic Ocean with the Nina, Pinta and
Let's help you make your mark.
Mermaids usually are considered lucky, but not universally. In Trinidad and Tobago, sea-dwelling mermen were known to grant a wish, transform mediocrity into genius and confer wealth and power. Mermaids appear in British folklore as unlucky omens, both foretelling disaster and provoking it.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How do mermaids die? According to Hans Christian Andersen, mermaids live for 300 years then turn to sea foam when they die. The more realistic answer is mermaids die, and like any other mammal or sea creatures, they sink to the bottom and the circle of life takes over. 12 June 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.